Welcome to this guided tour of the CoolLIFE website, your gateway to sustainable space cooling solutions. My name is Giulia Conforto, and today I will show you all the resources that you can access from this powerful website. First of all, the address coollife.revolve.media. Upon entering the site, you're greeted with the mission of CoolLIFE, addressing the European rising demand for space cooling in buildings by developing open source tools that promote green cooling solutions in decision-making processes. You can scroll down the homepage for a few essential information about the CoolLIFE Tool and Knowledge Hub and the upcoming events. Now, from the top main menu, you can access a number of sections. Let's dive into them one by one. The section About is where you can find detailed information on the CoolLIFE project. This page provides an overview of the CoolLIFE project objectives, main goals, the challenges that the project addresses, a schematic chart of the project concept, some information about the training sessions, and the partners that form the CoolLIFE project consortium. Then next, from the section Resources, you can access all the public deliverables that the CoolLIFE project has produced. For instance, the knowledge base for occupant-centric space cooling is a report focusing on the human element that compiles insights into how occupant behavior influences space cooling needs and effectiveness. The analysis of behavioral intervention across Europe is a report that examines various behavioral interventions implemented across Europe to promote sustainable space cooling practices and analyzes their effectiveness and applicability in different contexts. The taxonomy of space cooling and measures provides a comprehensive classification of various space cooling technologies and strategies. This document serves as a foundational reference for understanding the range of available solutions from traditional methods to innovative practices. Next, the energy demand assessment is a deliverable that offers an in-depth analysis of current and project energy demand for space cooling across different regions, aiding in the identification of areas with the highest needs and potentials for interventions. The impact assessments, conversely, estimates the impact of different measures for sustainable space cooling. The review of financing schemes and the relative complete datasets are a EU27 mapping at the European and national level of public and private financing schemes relevant for sustainable space cooling. Here you can see you also have the dataset. Then a report addresses the multiple socioeconomic impacts of sustainable space cooling, and another report provides a review and mapping of legislations and regulations on sustainable space cooling at the European and national level. In the section Good Practices, the best practices collected across Europe are shown for implementing sustainable space cooling practices as a citizen or as a public authority. First, existing measures and existing technologies are listed, classified as active systems, passive systems, and lifestyle changes. Then more information is provided on what can be done as a public authority to provide more sustainable space cooling across Europe. In the section What's On, you are informed about the activities of the project. There are the latest news and the upcoming events are listed. For instance, the next live training planned for April the 1st, with a link to register to the training and a link to the full agenda. And now our colleague Eric Wilczynski will show us a guided tour of the CoolLIFE Knowledge Hub. Over to you, Eric.
Hi, this is Eric Wilczynski from Europe Research, and in this video, I will be covering the Knowledge Hub as a repository which stores the essential resources related to cooling in the EU, and was created primarily through a comprehensive literature review, but also with inputs from experts in the field. The types of resources found in the Knowledge Hub include scientific and conference papers, as well as other related project deliverables, including datasets. Therefore, it is possible to find both white and gray literature related to cooling in the EU. In addition to these external resources, you can also find CoolLIFE project deliverables, either for reference or to download if they are publicly available. You can access the Knowledge Hub from the top of the CoolLIFE website, And from here, navigating the Knowledge Hub is quite simple. At the top, there is a search bar where the user can use keyword searches to find the resource they are looking for. Or alternatively, the resources of the Knowledge Hub are also listed below for the user to browse. Within each Knowledge Hub resource page, the user can find useful information such as authors, year of publication, and URL of that resource.
And last but not least, we have a link to the CoolLIFE tool. This is a GIS-based tool designed to map space cooling demand across the EU 27 from the hectare to the continent level. It offers insights on meeting current and future demand while promoting innovative, efficient solutions. This tool offers a number of default layers and a series of calculation modules. In the next tutorials, you can learn how to use each one of these calculation modules and also how to use them in a tool chain according to the selected use cases. Now, this brings us to the end of our tour of the CoolLIFE website. And for more information, don't forget to read the description and follow the links. Thank you.